This morning, we came in early, checked the weather, got the aircraft ready in order to support the flood mission that is going on in Central Texas.
We're making sure that the camera is ready to operate. This is the MTS here, spinning freely and clearly on the gimbals and making sure that all the screws are secure, that there's no loose pieces throughout it. All right, so making sure that there's no inverted power discharge at all.
Currently flying over the west side of Canyon Lake and the Guadalupe River. We've been asked by the AOC in Austin to scan the banks of the river looking for any debris that might be clogging up the river. We just had eyes on a overturned vehicle that was on the side of the river, washed up. Top screen up here is our tracker display. That shows our aircraft where it's at a point in space over the ground. So on the left here, this is just a repeater of the pilot's HUD or what the sensor operator's looking at. He's currently scanning the, I believe it's the south side of the Guadalupe River. Everybody here in this GCS is a part-time drill status guardsman that lives here in Texas, and this is us coming in from, all three of us coming in from our civilian jobs on 24-hour notice to help the people at Kerrville.
Even over a holiday weekend, it was no problem finding volunteers to come together and help other Texans. Some of them we may know, we may not know, but it was easy to pull a group together to support the mission and help cover the disaster that the flooding has caused.